Brandon.
Who?
Brandon Hankersley on the announcement.
Oh, yeah, I hadn't got to the announcement back yet. Okay. Court is back in session, back on this pretrial conference docket. We're reviewing our bond forfeitures. First case that we have is cause number 322657. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jeff Hillman Trust Jr. Jeff Hillman Trust Jr. Was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's pretrial conference plea docket at about 9 a.m. when the case was set. Jeff Trust's name was called by the court's bailiff at the court's door. Jeff Trust did not answer. Jeff Trust's attorney, Attorney Lori Perazzo, did appear in court, and she said she had trouble contacting Mr. Trust. Let the record reflect that Mr. Trust does have a bondsman. The time now is 4:07 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jeff Trust? Jeff Trust's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Jeff Trust did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Trust an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared. State, do you have a motion?
Your Honor, I just checked and Mr. Truss, it appears, is in the county jail.
Oh, okay, I don't have a note on here. Okay, so if he's in the county jail, you can't forfeit that bond. Okay.
Let me check one other thing here. 222. Okay, it appears that Mr. Truss was put in jail on the 18th of this month under an assault family violence charge. I don't know. I would imagine his accusation will run out on the 21st, which is
Today. Okay.
So, on the other hand, the state would move that we forfeit his bond.
Okay.
And a warrant be issued so that he remained in the county jail.
Okay. Now, so you think he had got out? That's what
no,
you said?
Your Honor, but I think he is scheduled to get out today. But apparently he's still actually in jail.
Yeah, we can't forfeit his bond if he's incarcerated.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll hold up on that bond forfeiture. We will not forfeit the bond on Jeff Trust. Okay, we go to our announcement docket. And the case is Brandon Michael Tankersley. Brandon Tankersley was in cause number 329476, was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's announcement docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of March 21st, 2022. At or about 9 a.m., Brandon Tankersley's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Brandon Tankersley did not answer. Brandon Tankersley has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Attorney David Grove, who represents Brandon Tankersley, was in court, and he informed the court that he was going to try to contact Mr. Tankersley, and the court informed Mr. Grove, his attorney, that Mr. Tankersley could, if he could not appear in person, that he could appear by Zoom or by telephone.
Yeah.
And he has.
Let me check on something, because while we were in the deal, a guy came up to the door, and I can't remember what he said his name was, but he said he called up here, or he was called and told he had a bond forfeiture.
Oh.
Let me check.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the one I saw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kind of funny.
I just,
here.
Let the record reflect that the time is 4:11 PM on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Brandon Tankersley?
Brandon Tankersley. No response.
Brandon Tankersley, name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Brandon Tankersley did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Tankersley an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
State would move that the bond before forfeited warrant be issued.
That will be granted. Brandon Tankersley's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 329476. Next case is cause number 331402. Case is styled the State of Texas versus Andrea Denise Robinson. Andrea Denise Robinson was scheduled to be in court for the court's announcement docket, which was scheduled at 9 AM on today's date of March 21st of 2021. At or about 9 AM, Andrea Robinson's name was called at the courthouse door, and Andrea Robinson did not answer. Andrea Robinson has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Andrea Robinson's attorney, Mr. Alvin Samuel, did appear in court, I would say about right at 2 o'clock or 1:45 this afternoon. And he informed the court that Ms. Robinson did not appear in felony court, and a warrant was issued, and a warrant is out for her arrest in that court. The time now is 4:13 PM. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Andrea Robinson?
Andrea Robinson. No response.
Andrea Robinson, name was called again by the court's bailiff. She did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Robinson an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
State would move that the bond be forfeited and a warrant be issued for her arrest.
That shall be granted, and Ms. Robinson's bond will be forfeited, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number 331402. This will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket, court's pretrial conference docket, and the trial docket. All three dockets were scheduled for 9 AM on today's date of March 21st of 2022. In County Court at Law, number 2, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.